welcome back to 5'9" plus size beauty. So we got the final package in from SHEIN, and this is just the bag that has things for my clothes. So I'm actually cutting the bag open now. And let's see what I got. So, oh man, I knew this was gonna be too small. So this is supposed to be a necklace holder, but let me get on the inside of it. I knew it was gonna be too small. I was in Ross today looking for another jewelry holder I found, so I'm gonna have to go back for that one. Maybe I'll just use this one, this small one here, for my bracelets and stuff like that, but it is really, really little. Look. Really? Look, it ain't even bigger than my hand. That's the first piece. All right, the next one is, I think I got two of these, a lip gloss tray or lipstick tray. And no, that's not what this is. This is a palette holder. So, I got this because I have my palettes here on my desk. Let me see. So I know I needed one of those. Let's see what's in the next box. Oh, here, this is the lipstick and lip gloss holder. Okay. But I got one for my lipsticks, one for my lip glosses, but I think I might use one for concealers as well. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'll be using one for my concealers. My big concealer is not gonna go in there. But don't fret, we'll fill it up. So that's what's going in there. My Juvia's Place concealer doesn't fit in there. Not at all. So I got that for that. Let's see, what's next? Oh, okay, so the next piece is for my perfumes, and I have to put that together. So I'll put that together towards the end. Let's see, what's this? Oh, oral irrigator. It's just a water pick. Oh, my desk is getting messy. I just wanted one of these and figured out that it would be cheaper to get it from on SHEIN. So this is one you can take on the go, and it just has a plug with it and the different water pick attachments. So we'll be using that in the morning. Let's see what's next. What's next is a jewelry holder for my rings. Hold on. Trying to get in it without messing it up. So, like I said, this is just a haul to get things for my clothes. And like I told y'all before, I will have links down in the description box and also in the comment section. All right, so that needs to get all the little extra jewelry. And this one is another lipstick or lip gloss holder. So this video is not going to be too long. So this is the second one. And these are really cheap on SHEIN. You gotta wait 7 to 10 days to get your items, but they're cheap. Let's see, where can I sit that one? Oh, and the last one is a necklace that has come out of the packaging. So I hope it's not all twisted up, child. Oh man, I think it is. It's not a real necklace, y'all. Uh-oh. Oh man. Give me a second. So I thought they were all together, but they're not. So you have just this necklace, then you have this little chain necklace. Hold on. Isn't that supposed to go in there? Okay, yeah. This is the second part to it. Wow, I thought, and y'all know these are not real pieces, so it came 4 in a set, so it's a layering necklace set. So there's another one, but you can also, it's a little fake herringbone, so you can also do them separately. I thought they all came together. I did not know they came loose like this. So I think what I'm gonna do is clean this mess up, and I think I'm gonna go back to Ross and get the necklace holder, the jewelry holder that I saw there, because this is what I bought this for, but that's not gonna work. This is only gonna work for bracelets. So once I put everything together, and I'll come back and do a little Cloffice tour for y'all. But this was a quick little mini haul from SHEIN for the Cloffice. So like I said, the links will be in the description box and also in the comment section. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm kind of tired today. I went and started working earlier today. I started gigging, and then I had to come home and fix lunch/dinner for Ashlyn, and I ate, and then now I'm doing this. So I still got some things I need to do today. I need to run back out and go to Ross so I can get the things that I need for my little Cloffice here. But yeah, I will come back and show y'all my Cloffice and how I have things set up. And thank you all so much for watching. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. I think I got the itis, y'all. All right.